Gonna see if I can get a long ride back. If not, I'll probably just...
Yeah, that would be...
Yeah, well, the thing is, like, when you do the destinations, like say, back to my house, because there's nothing really in between Orlando and Tampa, it'll technically get me stuck in Orlando. And it's like, no, I can't. You know, I don't want to... Like, I'm used to getting home at, like, 5, so now I'm going to get home at 6:15. Like, if I get stuck here and it's like, wow, this is fucking gorgeous.
Yeah, right?
This is where she lives?
No.
Oh, okay. I was like, holy shit.
This is my birthday.
Okay, this is cool, man. This
Yeah.
is cool.
They got, like, margarita glasses and a chandelier.
I was going to say, this is the coolest place to live.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Not a problem. You want one for the road or for another time? Or?
Nah, I'm
okay.
good. Yeah, I appreciate you, though.
All right, man.
Yeah, it was a pleasure driving with you.
Yeah, nice having you, dude. Hope you have a good 2 days. All right, man. See you.
Thank you.
I don't think we have anything like this. This is the most epic resort thing that I've seen. This is beautiful. Oh my god, this is fucking beautiful. Bro.
Top designer clothes, like old fashion shows. What you doing, who'd you know? Inside the world, beautiful.
This is beautiful.
Beating up some broken homes, surrounded still alone. Let's leave
Why do people drive?
Of Captain Jack Sparrow.
Why do people drive to... I never... Wow. It's all modern and beautiful. Look at this. This has got to be the coolest place to be. Wow. That is... I never seen anything like that. We literally do not have anything like that. What is all that? Bro, what is this called? What is this whole place called? Can I read it? I can't read that. Sunset Walk. Wow. That is beautiful. Sunset Walk.